What's up? I know I changed my name, but it's still the same-ish. It's like still Biosoup, but it's just that the reason why I changed my name is because it was if you searched me like straight away, you weren't gonna find me at all, like at all. So I said a name that is actually very special and not a lot of people have it, or no one has it besides me. So if you didn't know what my new name is, Bio Get Freaky. Uh, For some reason, there's no underscore on the freaky part. So just bio underscore get, then you just leave a gap, then say freaky. It's that easy now. So, today's video is how to make money in Tone. There are five steps, but only three are really like main steps, like proper steps that will actually give you like a lot of cash. So, let's get into this.
Dear God, there's a lot of questions that I have about the past, and I don't want to hear it from a human. You made it, so you're the last person that I'm ever gonna ask. Tell me what's real, tell me what's fake. Why is it
Before we start, don't forget to leave a like and slap that sub button. Okay, yeah, sorry about the pronunciation. Okay, now before I really start, it's like the reason why I haven't posted in a week or whatever is because of school. But now, like, finally schools are closed. We're gonna open when we're writing exams. So I have like a week of posting. So I'm gonna post as much as I can, and hopefully it will help you guys a lot. Cause I might be off for like 2 weeks, but I think I could post during those times. But we'll see. We'll only see. So the first way to get money in Tone is to just find a proper job. If you're like starting off and you're fresh, you're not level 5, you're just level 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can get jobs like in the average thing. It just is like you can go to the army, the medical, like you can become a doctor, like anything like at all that's available in the jobs. Now, if you hit level 5 in that case, you can work in like in these companies. You see, so it's like the first one. It's the easiest way. Like it's the easiest way to get inside a job, but it doesn't have enough stats though. Like I work in a sweet shop cause it gives cans, and cans you can trade them for money, like 3 million or 2 million. You always get millions or 800,000. So my favorite way to like find and actually get inside a job, you press the jobs list, you look at the director of the job, then you just ask them. You like PM them, and you ask them if you can apply to their job, and if they say yeah you can, it doesn't matter really, but yeah, you can apply there. It's easy, and I usually go for the people that are online, like proper online, because I, I want a job fast, and when I say fast, I mean fast. So I prefer people that are online, so I search and search and search. So that's the first way to make money on Tor. Number 2, on the other hand, let me go into it. Go to the casino. Like number 2 is the best one for me. Like, but the problem is I prefer the player versus player because the computer it's rigged. No lie, it's rigged. They want you to spend more money. But so far, my favorite one is spin the wheel. There are 3 different types of like categories. If you want a home or anything like that, and you have only like 2,000 or 1,000, you play Wheel of Lame. It's only 1,000 per spin. Wheel of Awesome is 1 million, and it gives you real stuff. And I actually found a hack for the casino, but I'll get into that in another video. Now, Wheel of Mediocrity is like if you like you're middle class, like you have like 100,000 in spare. But the nice thing about this is that if you spend on the money, it's either you can get half your money back, or you can get like 1,000 more or anything. So let's say I want this trailer, okay? I'm not trying my hack yet, but this one is just for like just to show you guys. Now if you get the face punch, it's really bad, cause everything in red here, you lose your money and you get to go to the hospital. You get to go to the hospital all because of Leslie, okay? Leslie knows how to beat people up. Don't look at him and say he's a weak Asian man. No, he hits. And he's old, okay? Okay, no discrimination or anything. I'm just saying, like, Leslie is old, but he beats people up. Like, I've wasted 1 million and I got a kick in the throat. That's not fun. So that's the second way. Play the casino. My favorite one is Wheel of Mediocrity, and I'm gonna like make a video of the hack I found. But like, yeah, that's in another video. The other ones, they're not too bad, but like, you get your money's worth and spin the wheel. Time for number 3. Number 3 is all about the bounties, okay? The bounties, like, it depends on what level you are. If you're like level 5, please don't try this. Like, don't try this on. Okay, there are a few things you can do though. There's like people that say it's just a mission. I want to show you one. And like, try to not make enemies. Like, you see this dude, you see he's a level 1. Don't attack him because he can hit. He might be a level holder or something, but if you want to see if someone's really a level holder, you long press them, check their awards, okay? And avoid donators or anything like avoid donators. Like, avoid anything that can get you into trouble though. But yeah, attack people in the bounties. You can get like up to 1 million. But I prefer, if you're new, try to hit people that are lower than level 10 and they have like 10,000 on their head. So yeah, they have 10,000 on their head. But if you really want to like get the money, I hope that I don't get killed here. But yeah, you have to press claim. And you press claim, and you have to say accept. Like, yes, they take you straight to the fighting page. And once you hospitalize the person, that's when you get money. You don't leave them on the streets or anything. You have to hospitalize. It's a must to hospitalize. Like, you see, he's a level 10 or 15, but he has 1,124 health. So it's like, it's a long story though. Like, yeah. And my one has like this weird thing where it looks like I have a low stats, but I don't. And I'm not gonna show you guys my stats because someone in my video attacked me. So I'm trying to work out even more to get them back. So yeah, hi Charity, you're in my blacklist list, okay? I'm gonna murder you, okay? I'ma hit you, but respect you for what you did, but I'ma hit you, okay? So what's next? Okay, yeah. Number 4. It's really easy, but trust me when I say it works, but it doesn't work too much. Number 4 is this. Wait. I'm sure all of you get this option. Leave mug or hospitalize. If you wanna make quick cash and you're a low level, press mug. The amount of money you get all the amount of money you get all depends on the person themselves, because like sometimes they get hit so many times that they don't even have money. Like, she's a perfect example. She has no money because she's been mugged multiple times and she doesn't even bother to level up. I think she left the game even. So that's number like, what do you call it, 4. Number 5, okay, number 5 requires you to be at level 15, Cause yeah, it really works for level 15s only, this one. Before I continue, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe because your support helped me a lot, and thank you for those who've been supporting me, and stay tuned for like a bonus part of the video. Yeah, a bonus. So the second part is no, the fifth and final part. I saved this one for last because it's like not a lot of people can like get to level 15 easily. It took me a month to get to level 15. So yeah. But it only took me a month because I wasn't as dedicated to get stuff as much as I am today. So the second one is the fifth one is to travel. Like traveling is key. Like traveling, you can get like I always get. Well, if it's the first time you traveling, you earn about like you have like 5 storage space or 6. No, it's 5. And suitcases cost like millions. The largest suitcase is 10 million, medium is 6 million, and the smallest one is 1 million. So the best place with profit is Dubai. My time is shorter because I have a PI that I'm renting out. It costs about 4 million for 10 days. It has an airstrip. It helps me like travel faster in places. Regular time without the airstrip is like it costs money also. So it's like in standard it's about 4 hours 30 minutes and it costs 32,000 for you to travel. So buy an airstrip, like it's easier that way. Or you can just marry someone that has a PI and you get your cash. But yeah, that's the video. Here's the bonus. Okay, let me go to the bonus part. I will be buying people mansions. Okay, like I can buy you guys 5. Like I'm buying for separate people. Okay, you can buy this mansion, sell it, or live in it. It depends all on you. But yeah, I'm gonna start buying mansions for all of you. I'm gonna like just gift you the mansions and you do your own rental things because I don't know what you want inside your mansions. But yeah, I'm gonna be like giving the first 5. No, it doesn't even matter as long as you subscribe and you like. I'm not gonna give you randomly. I'm just gonna give the people that actually support. Okay, I can buy up to like 10 mansions or even more. So at this point, it's no longer a giveaway. It's just a straight up give. I'm gifting as many people as I possibly can. Cause like each travel like in like 12 hours, I make 4 million. I'm gonna try making more money each time. So I can buy you guys so many more mansions. Like so many more. Like yo. It's so much more money than you could ever expect. So I am gonna be buying people, my subscribers and likers, and of course my commenters mansions in the game because I knew how hard it was just to buy a mansion. Now I'm living in freaking PIs now. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I might post tomorrow or I'm gonna make it in the hour and I'm gonna post it tomorrow morning or maybe later today. I'm not sure. It depends on how many views this one gets. I'm happy with 1 view. Okay. Yeah, if this video gets 1 view, I'ma post a new video. So yeah, like, subscribe, throw in your comments because I know you guys are ninjas at that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and I'ma gift you guys. So thank you again for the support and see you next video. Bye.
Dear God, there's a lot of questions that I have about the past, and I don't want to hear it from a human. You made it, so you're the last person that I'm ever gonna ask. Tell me what's real, tell me what's fake. Why is it